Hello everyone, Brian here, and today I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up EasyBase from a fresh install on your computer. So let's dive in. So once you've downloaded the EasyBase from our website, you'll be presented with a screen similar to this, which is a thank you message. Press continue, and then it'll take you to the end user license agreement. Have a careful read through the agreement and make sure that you agree to all our terms of service. Press accept. And now you'll be asked to create an account. If you already have an account with EasyBase and you're just downloading a copy onto one of your machines, you can press login and it'll take you to the login page. However, if you're new to the system, you can start with a 7-day free trial. So enter your personal information. Your email address is important, so just double check that you've entered it correctly, because this is what you would use to log into the system, and you'll also receive an activation code to this email address. So once you've checked over your personal information, press next step, and you'll be asked to create a password. Once again, maybe jot down your password so you remember it for future reference, and press next. And now you'll be asked to enter some company information. All that's really required at this step is your company name and a brand colour. But you can also add any other information that you feel like you may need. So for this example, I'm going to drag my logo into the system. So that's my logo uploaded and enter the company name. Type. And I'm also going to use the hexadecimal code for my colour. So you can either enter it into the text box or you can use the colour dialog to select your colour. So press final step. So once again, you have to accept the terms of service and then press start free trial. And now this will create your database, upload your logo and set the system up for future use. Once this step is completed, you'll receive an activation code to your email. Once your database has finished being set up, you'll get a notification saying that you've just received an activation code. Just press OK and then press get started. Here, enter the details, including your email and password. And you'll now be prompted to enter your activation code. Copy and paste it from your email. And that register your device on the system. Press get started once again. And now you will be taken to the simple dashboard on the EasyBase system. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.